Hello, good morning everybody. I hope you have a good morning. Today is 22nd of September. So we'll start our analysis of the chart on our screen. This is GBP USD. So far as you can see, the price is very much to the lower side. If you check the daily chart, this is what we had previously. We had a momentum to the upper side from this point. There's this big move up, a retracement, a continuation higher. There's a retracement, a continuation much higher, a retracement, a continuation higher, and then there was this break where the price actually went below the support. So as it is now, we still do expect further momentum to the lower side. The price needs to continue much lower. We actually expect price to proceed up to this level. We have a support here. We also have a support here. So let me delete the lines on my chart. My chart appears to be crowded. So we have a support here. We also have a support here, and then we also have another support here. Then we do have a level at this point here, and then we also have another level at this point here. So if the price is to continue downwards, then the next place we expect price to go up is actually 1.25435. If it breaks beyond this level, expect it to continue much lower up to 1.22910, where if it successfully breaks below, then we'll expect it to proceed much lower. We do expect price to continue massively to the lower side. Therefore, we recommend you keep looking for sell orders, expecting price to move up to 1.25435 or 1.22910. The next chart I want us to look at is Euro USD. So this is a sell. This is a sell. I'm going to explain why I'm saying this is a sell. Okay, just look at it like this. We had a trend line from the top here. We had another one from the bottom here. Then for this is the entire last month, the price was being held within the shape itself. The price could not break above or below the lower trend line. Then just yesterday, the price moved down and even closed below. So it closed below the level which we're having, which is this one. So as it is now, expect price to proceed downwards, expect it to continue down up to this point. So on this chart, I'm looking for sell position, I'm looking for sell orders. I do expect price to continue to the lower side. I do expect it to proceed massively downwards up to the support which you've looked at, which is this on 1.13735. So we are looking for sell orders in this chart. There is no opportunity for buying as we're speaking now. Our ultimate target on this chart should be 1.13735. So I hope that makes some sense. I hope that makes some sense. That we're looking for sell orders up to 1.13735. We also do have a level here, 1.17133, where if the price breaks below, then we'll be expecting a continuation much lower up to this point, 1.13735. So the next chart I want us to look at is Usdjpy. Usdjpy also, we are bearish. The price is downwards. We do have a support here where the price successfully broke below this one, 104.735. So as long as we keep seeing persistencies below 104.73, we do expect a sell-off. We do expect sellers to dominate this market. Expect a move up to this point, 101.210. So this is a sell. USDJPY, we do have a sell, and we do expect price to proceed massively downwards, especially up to the support which I've mentioned. We have a support at 101.210. The next chart I want us to look at is SP500. So SP500, we did expect a continuation to the upper side. We did expect price to move to the upper side. Somehow that has not happened. Instead, the price is moving to the lower side. So expect a rally to the lower side. This chart could still be bearish. expect price to proceed down, especially while it's still below 3312.6. So as long as the price continues to contain itself below the line which I've mentioned, this line here, expect it to proceed much lower, expect a continuation to the lower side up to this support, 3227.6. So that's the level where the price needs to go up to. If you're on this chart now, you are supposed to be expecting sellers to dominate the market, expect more sell positions up to at least the line which I've drawn, which is this one. On the upper side, we do have a level here. We do have, this is like a resistance. We also have a resistance here. So just some resistance, just some resistance. We had a resistance. There was this bounce from it came and broke below this point. So far, we are still below 3315.4. So this is still a sell. If the price pulls back up to this point, we're looking for a sell. If the price breaks below 3227.6, we are still sellers. So the next chart I want us to look at, gold. A sell. Gold is bearish. You can see that the price is below the moving average we are having. We do have this, like a shape from the top. It looks like this. So you can see that the previous week we had the price remained within the range. Last week the price remained within the range. Then earlier this week the price has just broken below. So the price has not only gone below, but it has also gone below this low. This is a very good support for us sometimes, but this is a very good level. You can see it. It was used previously as a support. It was used as a support. It was used as a support. There was this break. So far, the price is still being held somehow below. So expect a move up to this support. If you are on this chart now, if you are looking at gold now, expect price to continue downwards. Expect it to proceed massively to the lower side up to 1880.45. If it goes below this level, then we're supposed to expect it to continue downwards up to the next level, which is 1862.5. We also do have a trend line, which looks very good, this one. So this is like some resistance. A support we had previously. There's a break. We had a resistance. We had a resistance. We had a resistance. We had a resistance. As it is now, the price is still somehow below the upper trend line and also below this support. So expect sellers to dominate this market up to 1880.45 here. The next chart and the last one today is Brent oil. So Brent oil so far, Brent oil, we were expecting sellers to dominate the market because we had a shape here. This shape was violated to the lower side. We also have this one. So we had this, we had this, we had this, we had this, we had a support, and then there's this massive break to the lower side. So we did expect price to come up to this point, which has not happened just yet. The price has not been able to come to this point, 38.127. So we still do expect that rally. We still do expect price to proceed up to this point, 38.127, where if it goes below, we do expect it to continue much lower up to 34.613. On the upper side, we do have this level here. So if the price comes up to this point, we'll be looking for a buy. If the price breaks below this point, we'll expect price to proceed down up to 34.613. So we either buy it from this point, or we sell a break below, The next level is this, and then the next level is this one. On the upper side, this is the only level which we're having, 46.572. So thank you very much. That is my opinion on the pairs which you've looked at, and that should be the end of today's session. So thank you. See you.